Well, hey there, this is Chase with TrafficWave for Profit, an organization that I have created because TrafficWave is really an awesome tool. And in this video, I've gotten a question about the templates that you can have for your letters and how easy are they to use and that type of thing. So I'm going to go through that and show you how to use the templates. So to create a template, it's really that you're going to be creating a new letter, which is actually an email, but they call them letters inside. Okay. Now you can start with a blank letter and always build your email newsletters, of course, but choosing the template is really quite nice. And now it's setting up the templates. Now I have a template. I'll just pick it real quick here and show you that I've already had from my team, which is again TrafficWave for Profit, a nice template. I'm going to this maximize button. You actually see all the tools to build your letters and build up your emails, your links, your colors, all the stylized look of the email. But I'm going to maximize so you can see the maximum full size of the email. Now what I have is a nice logo at the very top of the email. Then I have a headline. Okay, so all you have to do if you're on my team is if you want to make a new email, you just type in a new headline. Okay, and the headline is kind of just good for your viewer, your reader to get a sense for what they're about to read. Now, in my sense, or in my case, I don't have you really type a whole lot. You only have to replace this first paragraph. So I just say, hey, replace this text with your broadcast message. In other words, what do you want to let your viewers or your subscribers know? Okay, so you would just type here, and that would be all you need to do. Now, I'm not going to type that because I'm not very good at that. Okay, so that's how to create a template with my team. Now, let's just go back and we'll create a new letter a different way with some of the TrafficWave templates. So again, I would just go to create a new letter on the left-hand side. And instead of choosing to start a blank letter, I'm going to choose use a template. And let's say you don't have one of my templates or something, you can use the HTML templates. And these are really quite nice. Okay, so one image and a title describes the look of the template. Two-column template. Text in a table. A table could be a list of products or services or days of the week and hours that you're open, that type of thing. You have a left side border with a repeating image, and that could just be a block of colors or something similar. Then you have a simple letterhead, simple newsletter. These are all fairly descriptive enough to, and with these guides, you can kind of get a sense what that is. So I'm going to choose this simple newsletter with the navigation on the left. I'm zoomed in a little too much, and basically it's applied the template. So I'm going to go to maximize. Again, maximize allows you to see the entire email, so you don't have to fiddle with a small window. Okay, so again, similar to mine, I would put the headline, let's say, my newsletter, okay, or something like that. You would type that in there. Add links or text here. You could put like, here is, you could say actually just our Facebook page, because that would never change, right? And you could have a link to there, and then you could have other information like our goal is blah, 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 something like that, because that would never change. Then your subtitle, okay, could go right here. So type something here. Okay, and then you'll, for whatever your monthly newsletter or weekly or whatever your schedule is, you would type that in here. There's a space down here for more text that's maybe separate from your main points. And you can add more text just by typing or pasting and copying and that type of thing. So the email will get longer as needed. Okay, so don't worry about that. It'll grow to whatever needs you have. Down at the bottom, there is sections for company name, and so you could obviously put your company, obviously. And then if you have a website, always good to have that information there. So yourcompany.com type thing. So that's the basics of some, of these templates. Now, the colors. How would you change the colors? It gets a little tricky maybe, but what I have done is go to like the text color, and then you're going to get options for more colors. So I choose more colors, and then I get this box where there's just a rainbow of colors, okay? And each time you hover over a color, the number that will be here will change. And so if I select this deep red, it's actually CC and then 4 zeros. That's the color, that's the number that's associated with that color. So you can pick different colors, maybe your color is pink, okay? So there's that color. Now I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. This is a little more advanced for those that are advanced, but I'm pointing out that you can do very creative things. Now I have another little, I have HTML that I want to put in here, but I'm going to use the colors. This could be actually a little bit confusing, but if you have any experience with HTML and things like that, you'll know that there are other tools that give you colors. So what I'm going to do is paste in to the hex color, the 6-digit color, that color, which is a nice deep pink. And the real code for that is 2040204. Okay? You'll see what I'm going to do in just a second. Again, this is if you're really technical and you understand source code. You can click on source. What that will do is show you all the HTML code. So I think it was, let's go back to my thing, 2040204. So we're going to change the color, and this is an RGB color parameter, so 204, 0, and then I'll put 204. So I'm showing you that you can customize these letters, okay? There it is, a nice pink. So there's really a lot that you can do here, and you can build your own templates. And what I would do, once you kind of get it the way you like it, is there is a save as a custom letter template. And that way, every time you come here, once you get it the way you like it, all you have to do is just put in your monthly message or your weekly message, and you'll be ready to go without the hassle of recreating that template every time. Now I'm going to go and create a brand new one. I'm going to show you, I mentioned earlier that I have this HTML code. Now, you can get HTML code from other sources. Maybe some of you use a different autoresponder. You can actually import different source code right into your TrafficWave letter. So I'm going to go, since I already have the source code, I'm going to click on source. And what that does is get rid of all the other menu items. They don't really work. You can just get your cursor in there and then paste. And this is all the source code for another HTML type email. And I'm zooming out. When I click on source, you can see that it's a very nice Valentine's Day special email. So this goes to show that your creativity is not limited at all with TrafficWave. You can do a ton of stuff. And so if you know how to do source code, great. If you don't, you can have some templates that TrafficWave provides you. And basically with a little creativity and just a little time, you're going to get good at creating letters. And then you'll be like me, where if I want to create a new email, I just go to my template, okay, and I pick my TrafficWave for Profit template. I just click right there. So I've already saved this template. It applies the content, and I am ready to go to put a nice headline right there. I just type that in, and then only this first paragraph. So my team and I have this nice template. We can send out a nice message, and the only thing we have to really change is the paragraph highlighted in blue. So we just type something in and save it, and then it's ready to go. Okay? So I'm not going to type a message, but the real cool thing is for my team, all these links automatically put in your ID, and then it also puts in your name and your email at the end of the letter. which makes us nice because this is a letter that can be sent to other team members, and boom, it just really goes. It makes letter writing and email writing very fast. And actually, when you proofread this letter, it will actually insert the codes for your name and your email and for the subscribers. Okay, there's a error there. It does work, but there was an error there. But anyway, this just gives you a taste of what templates can do. And remember, if you have the HTML code, and that's what this is right here, that's for a very fancy email that maybe you have gotten from somewhere else. You can still use that with TrafficWave. So there you go. There's the creativity and the options you have with TrafficWave. If you've never used an autoresponder, I would encourage you to find out more by clicking the link in the description of this video and learning more about TrafficWave for Profit with Chase Swift. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I would love a like and any positive comments down below. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.